Hi KP, it's Miss Perkins again. So, I have some things to show you today, and wait till you see, but first we're going to do our regular morning meeting. So, you know that we always start with counting, so join with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how do we say that? 15th, right? That's a digraph at the end. All right. So now you know that we're going to be saying the day of the week, the month, and the year. After that, here we go with the blue writing. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. The next thing we always do, so we're counting no school days. So we're counting on from 13 with those red dots. Count with me. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That's right. 23 no school days. Today, it was a beautiful day outside, but it's a little bit cloudy from where I'm sitting. And so similar to yesterday, depending on where you are, for you it might be partly sunny or it might be partly cloudy. It's not full on sun or anything like that. So when you look out, you decide, are you seeing more sun than clouds or more clouds than sun? So for me, right now, I'm seeing more clouds than sun. So I'm going to be saying that it's partly cloudy. And so you say whatever it is for you when we do this part. We look at the purple writing. The weather today is, for me, it's partly cloudy. And right now it's getting warmer. So I think by this afternoon, it's going to be really nice and warm out there for you to get outside again. All right. So moving on. I have a lot to cover today. So first I'm going to read you the morning message, which will give you lots of hints about what I'm about to show you. Today is Wednesday, April 15th. Notice I'm enunciating some sounds. Pay attention. 2020. We are still studying about taking care of the, did you hear it? Earth. See if you figured out what I've done so far. So we are going to practice some of your math. Have you caught on yet? Yes, I'm enunciating, which means I'm saying it really, trying to make it loud and pronounced with my voice. All the digraphs in the words I'm reading you. So we're going to do your math skills using recycled materials. What materials did you find? So that part's for later. So once you finish watching me, you get to go and gather, kind of like I did. Show, another digraph, your work using pictures, words, and numbers. Remember to challenge yourself, like Miss Sellers and I always say. So that's another digraph for the beginning of challenge yourself. Thank you. Love the KP teachers. Lots of digraphs today. So the last part of our activity, way down on like number 8 or something, it asks you to either point to this message on the computer or print your own. And remember what we're doing with digraphs. If you've watched any of my lessons, we're underlining digraphs, and the teachers are starting to talk about that if you've seen any of the other kindergarten teachers talking about it too. All right, so as far as the activity, I'm asking you to gather recycled math tops of things. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the last time they let me into Baker School, into the KP classroom. You all had given me the tops to your, I think they were yogurt containers, but you'll all be shouting in the background going, no, Miss Ferguson, so whatever they are, right? So you'll notice. So I did have those. I threw them into a bag thinking, I might be able to use those to show the kids some math. And then around my own house, I've been gathering some other things that I can take the tops off of. So I have some white ones here, okay? And I'm gonna put those aside. This is from Gatorade, see? So I'm gonna take off those tops. So you just go around and you gather whatever you have the most of. Maybe it's water bottle caps. Maybe it's from milk or juice. So this one is milk right here. And I have a juice one. This one was juice. This one is another kind of milk. Other thing you could do is if your parents have reusable water containers and you have containers and lots of them like this, you could use that. Look what else. Anna likes Go Squeeze. And so if you like Go Squeeze like Anna does, that could be what you gather. So I've asked you to gather 10 or maybe 20. Let's estimate. I think I have 10 or 20 there. Definitely, by the time I put these last few, probably 10, right? So think about what you might have the most of. And you're going to notice that the thing I have the most of are the ones that you folks gave me during snack time every day in KP. So I'm going to pull this tray over here in front of me. All right. So if I was going to do what I asked you to do, is to take them and first find them, take them and sort them. So, kind of fun to dump. All right. So if I was going to sort these, I could do them by color, size, shape. Well, since these are all basically the same size, I'm going to do them by color. So I spy with my little eye a lot of red ones. So I'm going to line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I have to make another row. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of those. Okay, so I'm going to make another row. Ready? With the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh my gosh. Whoop, didn't mean to grab that one. It's a tie on that one. That's super funny. Do you know what I mean by that? They're the same number. Okay, let's do the green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you were using a table, you could just keep going. But I ran out of space. What number was I on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Which one has more? This or this? Think about that when you go to do it. I'm going to take these maroon ones. It's kind of a dark red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I happen to be going down, down, down. The number's getting smaller. Have to go off the tray. 1, 2, 3 on the yellow. Oh, my favorite purple. Only 1. So that was kind of fun. And then what you want to do is you can get some markers and a paper and you can start labeling. So you could simply, if you wanted to just draw the cap itself, you would draw like a circle shape. Whoops, the bed made it move like that. And I remembered that I had 15 of these. So underneath that, I'm going to write a 1 and a 5. I had 15. And I knew I had also, with the orange caps, just drawing 15. Or you could just draw each cap all the way down on your paper if you didn't, if you wanted to do it a different way. Let's keep going with the green. That one I had, does anybody remember? It was less. I see 3 there. 10 plus 3 more makes 13. Okay. And I don't really have a maroon, so I'm going to have to use a dark pink just to make it different than the rest. And so those are my maroon ones. Does anybody remember what I had there? I had 3, 6, 7. 7 of those. I'm representing that. And yellow, how many of those did I have? I had 3. And my favorite one, purple, I had 1. So it'd be kind of fun for you to count all of these up together and come up with a big total. The other thing you could do is choose just a couple of different of the colors that maybe if you had 10, okay, of the red. Okay, so 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so say you were going to do a math problem with that, and you decided to do where you represented and you drew how many reds you had plus how many greens you had. You could go like this. You could say 10 red and third plus, I guess I have to give the symbol there, right? 3 whoops, that one's upside down for you. Green. Then you're gonna say, back to the red one, equals, and you could even count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 to count on. So 13 all together of my caps. All right, so on the rest of my morning message, it talks to you about making number sentences like this. You can do addition or subtraction, gathering things around your house to help you with your recycled math today. Have fun gathering recycled caps of any sort, and make sure you send me a copy of your work. Have your parents take a picture of it, and I'll post that out. All right, take care. Bye.